Hello students and welcome to BA131 Module 11. We are continuing with transition interpretation in school settings. We're covering school board meeting interpretation. There's a video lecture, class exercise 11, discussion 11, and the summary. For this module, we're covering school board meeting interpretation. So go ahead and read through the introduction, and in addition to translation and interpretation, we are covering this third option, which is sight translation. So go ahead and read through what this means, what we are covering. It's all explained right here, and what you're going to be covering in this module. Here are the assignments, or you can click next and go to the next section. Here we'll have the video lecture. There is no PowerPoint for this module. All the instructions are either in the introduction or in each of the assignments. Class exercise 11, board meeting sight translation. Here's an introduction on the skills of interpretation, specifically in sight translation. Go ahead and read through these. We have covered sight translation in the introductory course, BA130. If you have taken that, you know about this, and this will serve as a review. If you have not taken BA130, the intro class, go ahead and read through these 4 best practices for sight translation. And here you have the exercise. You're going to read the instructions and sight translate this section here. Sight translate this text right here from Spanish to English. And you're going to do this as a sight translation. As you know, sight translation is reading something in one language and saying it orally in another language. Do not translate, meaning do not write this into Spanish and this into English. You're going to do an oral sight translation. And what you're going to turn in is here in part 2, self-assessment reflection. So go ahead and read through these questions. You have the submission requirements. You're going to turn in a Word document. You do not need to submit your recorded translation. You can record that for your own practice, for your own review, and turn it in this format. And as a reminder, sight translation is not about being perfect. It's about thinking, processing, and communicating in real time. And this exercise is designed to help you become more aware of your strengths and areas of growth as an interpreter. For the discussion, you're going to read through the introduction here, and the instructions are at the bottom here. You're going to watch this video that I created on 3 possible consecutive interpretation samples. Go ahead and read through that to see what the assignment entails. And of course, as in all our discussions, you have to post your reply to this assignment by Friday and respond to at least 2 of your classmates by Sunday. And the reminder here is that in interpretation, conditions are not always ideal, and your effectiveness as an interpreter depends on your ability to adapt, think quickly, and communicate clearly, no matter the situation. And here is a summary of Module 11. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful week.